Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with news from the campaign trail. Members of the PNP and JLP continue to tell Jamaicans why they should form the next government. As you will hear in this report, crime and the state of the healthcare sector were the hot topics in Portland on Sunday. Details in the two major political parties continue to crisscross through Jamaica in an attempt to rally their base ahead of the general election. Northwestern Clarendon was among the PNP stops. The seat is currently held by the JLP's Philip Enriquez. But the man who once held the seat, Richard Azan, is upbeat about a return to power in the constituency, carried by a wave that he feels will also bring about a change of government.
We are going to move to Jamaica House and make this quarter leave Jamaica House too. Because tonight, comrade, plenty of us inside here don't have one bank account. And one man have 28.
But no such change in government will happen if these JLP members have their way. Darrell Vaz, while speaking at an area council meeting in Portland on Sunday, said he was proud of the work over the last few years to make the parish one of the strongest for the JLP at present.
She run Portland. I thought I was Mr. Portland, but Action Ann is the real deal.
This government that I am a part of has not spent millions on road, you know. They have spent billions on road in East Portland. Never in the history of East Portland that we have had so many programs to fix road. We have the REACH program. We have the Spark that is coming. We have the patching program, and the South Coast Highway is coming all the way through St. Thomas, right through Portland.
Turning to other issues in Portland, Mr. Vaz said crime is threatening to take root in the parish. The parish has recorded 6 murders since the start of 2025.
I am very concerned, I'm very upset in relation to the upsurge in crime in Portland. We are not accustomed to drive-by shootings, and we have had 2 in the last few days. We are not accustomed to that. We have been accustomed to being the safest parish for decades, and we have lost that position.
He said it is critical that some bad apples that have set up shop in Portland recently be removed.
And I'm calling on the Police High Command tonight and the Minister of National Security. Flush them out and flush them out quick, no matter who they are or who they represent. We are not going to tolerate it, and I can tell you that I will be on it from now until we restore Portland to its original state of peace and safety.
The PNP's candidate for Eastern Portland, Isaac Buchanan, and several other members of the PNP also met at a political event in Portland on Sunday. They continued to put forward their plans for the people, including in the health sector, that they say is falling apart.
We have had discussions, and we know that there are going to be some laws that are going to be needed to be passed immediately in order to reform healthcare. Drugs must be cheaper. You cannot choose between your light bill and your pharmacy bill and think that everything is going to be all right.